Imagine if using the most powerful AI was as easy as, well, anything else you do as a developer. No more clunky setups, no more proprietary tools. This isn't some far-off dream. It's happening right now. And honestly, it's a massive leap forward for anyone building with AI.
So here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll cover the what, the big announcement itself. Then we'll get into the so what, like why this is such a game changer for all of us. And finally, the now what, how you can get your hands on these tools and start building today. Simple, right? All right, let's dive right in with the big news. Google's super powerful new Gemma 4 models, they're now on Docker Hub. Yeah, you heard that right. This basically brings one of the most advanced AI toolkits to a platform that, let's be real, millions of us developers use every single day. We're talking about two giants in tech coming together, and the ripples from this are going to be huge. Okay, so what is Gemma 4 exactly? Well, think of it as Google's latest family of open models. And the cool part is, they're designed to be lightweight and super efficient, but they pack a serious punch. That's because they're built on the very same tech as the big-name Gemini models. So you're getting that top-tier, state-of-the-art power, but in a package that's way more accessible.
And this is the real magic right here. The key innovation is how they're packaged as OCI artifacts. Now, if you're a developer, you know what this means. It means these incredibly complex AI models now behave just like the software containers you already work with every single day. This isn't just a small tweak, you guys. It's a fundamental shift. It takes complex AI and turns it into just another standard manageable piece of your software stack.
Right, so why is this such a big deal? Why does this change everything? Well, it's because it signals a move away from those frustrating, super complex setups to a single unified workflow that honestly developers already know like the back of their hand. And this is where things get really, really exciting.
I mean, just look at the difference here. The old way, it was a total mess, right? A tangle of proprietary tools, custom security flows, complex steps. It was a nightmare to manage and even harder to share with your team. But the Docker way, it's all about simplicity. You're using the commands you already know, pull and push. It plays nicely with any standard registry, and it plugs right into your existing CI/CD pipelines. All of that friction, all that headache, it's just gone.
So this new workflow, it literally boils down to just 3 simple steps. That's it. First, you find the model you want on Docker Hub. Second, you pull it down with one single command, docker model pull Gemma 4. And third, you run it wherever you want, on your laptop, on an edge device, in the cloud, doesn't matter. It is that straightforward. No hoops to jump through.
Okay, so now that we've seen just how ridiculously easy it is to get these models, let's look at what you can actually work with. It's time to meet the Gemma 4 family, so you can start figuring out the perfect tool for your next big project.
And the great thing about the Gemma 4 family is that it's all about flexibility. I mean, whether you're building a lightweight app that needs to run on, say, a phone or a massive system for a data center, there's a model that's pretty much tailor-made for what you need. Let's take a look at the options.
Okay, here's the lineup. You can see the whole range right here. You've got the E2B and E4B models. These are the small, fast ones. They're perfect for on-device tasks where you need efficiency above all else. Then you have the 26B model, which uses this really clever mixture of experts architecture. Basically, only a small part of the model is active at any one time, so you get the quality of a huge model, but with the speed of a much smaller one. It's pretty cool. And then, for the really heavy-duty tasks, you've got the 31B flagship model. That's the true powerhouse for when you need complex, deep reasoning.
So what can you actually build with these things? Well, a lot. With multimodal support, your apps can understand not just text, but images and audio too. They're amazing for generating code and tackling really complex problems. And check this out. With a context window of up to 500,000 tokens, you can build apps that can analyze gigantic documents or hold incredibly long, coherent conversations. The possibilities here are just vast.
And all of this, it all leads to the most important part, what you can build. This isn't just about some cool new tech landing on a server somewhere. It's about putting all of this power directly into your hands as a developer. The core message here is so simple but so powerful. Build the future of AI with Docker Hub. Really, this is an open invitation for millions of developers to innovate faster, to experiment more freely, and to build that next generation of AI applications without all the old barriers holding them back.
So let's just recap for a second.
That complicated, often frustrating process of using top-tier AI, it's been simplified down to a single command. The barriers to entry have been torn down. Your entire workflow just got a major, major upgrade. So the only question left, and it's the most exciting one, is what are you going to build first?